If you've ever wanted to try a Brazilian wax at home but didn't know where to start, today is your lucky day. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to safely and effectively do a DIY Brazilian wax, right from the comfort of your home. Plus, we'll share all the essential tools, tips, and techniques you need to achieve professional quality results. Let's talk about preparation. Proper prep is key to a smooth and successful wax. First up, skin prep. Exfoliating your skin before waxing is super important. By removing dead skin cells, you'll not only reduce the chances of ingrown hairs, but you'll also ensure the wax can grab onto the hairs more effectively. A gentle exfoliating scrub or body brush works great for this. Next, let's talk about hair length. For optimal results, you want your hair to be about 1/4 inch long. This gives the wax something to grip and makes the removal process much smoother. When it comes to Brazilian waxing, there are two main types of wax to choose from: hard wax and soft wax. Hard wax is great for sensitive areas because it doesn't require strips and is less likely to cause irritation. Soft wax, on the other hand, is often better for larger areas. Choose the one that works best for your skin type and hair texture. Follow these steps carefully to get the best results. Start by applying the wax. Use a wax applicator to spread a thin layer of wax in the direction of hair growth. Don't over-apply, less is more. You want the wax to coat the hair evenly, but not too thick. Next, it's time to remove the wax. For hard wax, allow it to cool slightly until it becomes firm. Then, hold your skin taut and gently pull the wax off in the opposite direction of hair growth. For soft wax, place the strip over the wax, press down, and then pull the strip off quickly in the opposite direction. After waxing, your skin might feel a bit irritated, but don't worry. Post-wax care is essential. Apply a soothing after-wax oil or cool compress to calm the skin and reduce redness. This will help with irritation and leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. Now let's talk about a few common mistakes to avoid when waxing at home. First up, don't pull the skin. Always hold the skin taut while pulling off the wax to avoid discomfort and bruising. The tighter the skin, the less painful the removal. Also, avoid reapplying wax to the same area. Once the wax has been removed, it's done. Applying wax again can lead to irritation or even burns, so make sure you're getting the job done in one go. Lastly, when waxing sensitive areas like the bikini line, proceed with caution. Take your time, and avoid the vaginal opening to minimize any risk of injury. Always choose a wax that's gentle on sensitive skin. Regular exfoliation is key to preventing ingrown hairs and keeping your skin smooth. Use a gentle exfoliant once or twice a week, and apply a moisturizer daily to keep your skin hydrated. And that's it! You've just completed your DIY Brazilian wax. Congratulations! We hope these tips help you achieve flawless results at home.